So in the last few days, we are looking at netas from Tamil Nadu, especially from the DMK and the BJP. They are trading barbs over the centre's three-language policy. So much so that signboards in several railway stations have been defaced as well by the DMK cadres, who particularly have a problem with the usage of Hindi in those signboards. Now, as far as the matter that has been raised, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister has now penned a second letter to the DMK cadre amid the ongoing Hindi imposition row. The Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu is asserting that the DMK opposes Hindi only because it is being imposed, adding that Tamil was never sought to be erased from another language. He slammed the BJP-led union government for allegedly sidelining Tamil in favor of Hindi and Sanskrit through the NEP or the National Education Policy 2020. Calling on the DMK cadres to unite against what he calls as the evil plan, Stalin has accused the BJP of stalling Tamil Nadu's growth and has vowed to continue the Dravidian movement's resistance. So pictures that have now been shared coming in from different railway stations as well in Tamil Nadu, where there are signboards with multiple languages. However, Hindi being specifically on the target, saying that we are not against the language of Hindi, but we are only against the imposition of the Hindi language. In the meantime, let's put out exactly when it comes to this letter that Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has now penned for the cadres of the DMK, because he seemed to be in a way defending the move as far as when it comes to the signage. When it comes to the signboards at multiple railway stations in Tamil Nadu that are being defaced and black ink is being put on them. Saying that we impose Hindi imposition, M.K. Stalin saying that it is the center which is actually imposing Hindi on us, especially when it comes to the NEP or the National Education Policy that is used to impose Hindi on Tamil Nadu as the three language when it comes to the study is concerned, saying that it is the BJP-led center which is trying to halt the growth of the state of Tamil Nadu as well, and saying that let's safeguard our state and the rights and Tamil language as well, because the language war that is now intensified. This is yet another letter that is now being penned by the Chief Minister to the cadre of the DMK. Let's get in a word from Pragya, who is joining us live right now. Pragya, good morning. We've seen the to and fro happening, especially when it comes to letter wars that have been taking place, language wars that have been taking place, NEP with the Union Education Minister making it clear that this is looking from a myopic point of view. However, Stalin continues with his stand, saying that this is nothing but imposition of Hindi, why three languages are needed to be studied.
Well, clarification has come from Union Education Minister, and not just from him, but also Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has spoken in detail about it, that when they say three-language formula, that does not mean Hindi. And it is you learn Tamil Nadu, you learn Tamil, you learn English, and you choose any other language. This also helps in integration of a better integration, I would say, of people of other states who speak other languages. So you get to learn other states' languages, and it is just an addition, and it is just an advantage for all those who are learning it. In fact, it is very beneficial for the students who may go out in other states and learn those languages and work there. And remember, for police officers, IAS, IFS, it is mandatory in which in the state they are posted. They also need to learn it. And this is also, seems like very political in nature, is what BJP also is saying, that we never say that we are imposing Hindi on you. It's a three-language formula. You can choose your language of your choice and you can learn that. And this has been a norm not just in Tamil Nadu but in other states as well. In fact, there are many people in other states who are learning Tamil as a third optional language. So, it is in a way, the clarification though has come from the center. It looks like in Tamil Nadu, it is all about the politics, and it is about a set narrative that has been time and again waged against BJP. They have been calling BJP a party of North India, and this is exactly why BJP has not been able to do better in Tamil Nadu and other southern states apart from Karnataka, where they had government for 5 years.
To the language war and the kind of incidents that have been reported in states like Karnataka and Maharashtra border, in Tamil Nadu as well, where incidents of signboards being defaced that are being reported from the railway stations there, and this move that is being defended by no less than the Chief Minister himself has sparked off an intense war over the usage of language. Let's please